Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto E13 and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So at first enroll the list of all apps, then reach settings, click on system and select date and time. Now switch off automatic date and time and smoothly pick the particular date that you wish to apply, and then do the same thing with time. So just pick the hour that you wish to have, click on OK to save, and that would be all. Whenever you wish to go back to automatic date and time, just use the stop switcher and that's it. As you can see, it is back in the standard, actually in the actual date and time. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.